Focal Alpha News.
Real news for real world.
Thank you being with us, ma'am. My question is, ma'am, what are the preparations that you have taken for this entire process, and what are the other arrangements like infrastructures and police arrangements?
For the Udhampur, all four assembly constituencies, we have two counting centres, Government Degree College Boys and Government Women College. And in both the centres, all our arrangements in place as per the Election Commission guidelines. We have a three-tier security cordon system in both the centres, and 100 meter beyond it's a pedestrian zone only, and no use of mobile phones will be allowed. Other arrangements with respect to other facilities like power, backup and electricity and other security arrangements are also in place. The counting staff and agents have also been briefed to maintain the decorum and the secrecy of counting that they are bound to maintain. So everything is in place, and the counting of postal ballots has started at 8 a.m. and the counting of EVMs will also start at 8:30 a.m. We have briefed them on the process of counting and the expectations from them with respect to the decorum that needs to be maintained. And also, if there is any nuisance created by anybody, then the RO is also authorized to not let them continue watching the counting process, and everything is also being recorded. So everything has been briefed to the political candidates, and only the authorized persons who have applied and who are carrying the ID cards will be permitted, and no use of mobile phones or releasing the results before prematurely will be tolerated. So all these things have already been briefed.
Finally, my process, ma'am.
In these elections, one thing that has turned out very beautifully is that the voter turnout has been remarkable, and it has been 76.09% for Udhampur district. And if we include the postal ballots and other ETPBS votes that also have been received, so we are expecting something around 77 to 78%. So it's quite a remarkable achievement, and it reinstates the faith that the citizens have shown in the democratic process and the election process. So it is heartwarming to see the positive and the enthusiasm with which the voters have turned out. And the challenges were definitely in terms of the topography of the area, this being a hilly district, the accessibility and ensuring that the polling parties they reach the polling station comfortably and the voting process gets smooth. So that was challenging even during Lok Sabha and even now. But our teams, they are very committed, and all are very much charged up to be part of the election process. So it has been quite a good experience altogether.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for being with us, and congratulations to you and your team, ma'am.
Thank you.
Focal Alpha News.
Real news for real world.